We live in a pretty amazing age at the moment where there are solutions everywhere. You got a problem, you go and open Google, or you find a blog or an article or ChatGPT or YouTube videos, AI. There's so many different ways we can get our answer. Yet there are going to be some people who don't bother doing any of that. They got a problem and they stand up shouting, I have a problem. This is what I got. Help me now. I need help. Do you know what I call that? Digital laziness. If you've got a problem, why are you not using the tools that are already out there? A quick Google search could give you endless possibilities. Like maybe you want to know about the top 10 plugins for bookings and appointments. Have you even read or researched any of that and extracted out what you wanted to understand before you went and said, what's the best plugin to use? A bit of research. YouTube is like a free university. You can go on and learn so much stuff. What people should do is go and do a bit of research, see what's out there, what are people already doing? Because when you understand other solutions and don't do this or try a bit of that, you're going to appreciate your problem better. You're going to understand it better. You're going to know what question to ask. And you can also the minute someone says, what about X? You can go, nope, already try that. Let's think a little bit differently. But if you just shout for help without even trying to do a bit of research, that's like walking into a library and yelling, can someone read me a book? There are quite a lot of people that will quite happily read you a book, but a lot of other people will just say, shh. So what you need to do is do a bit of digging, explore what tools are out there, experiment with the solutions. Because when you take the time to do that, you may actually find what you want. And even if you don't find the solution, you're going to learn some new skills. You're going to grow as a designer, as a problem solver. So my advice is use the resources that are out there first. You'll thank yourself later.